inspiration for this car. If you look at it, it looks a little bit similar to the Porsche 911 GT2 RS. So because it has these big ducts on the side, that was kind of the inspiration, and that's where we got the inspiration for the splitter. So we wanted it to flow around these parts, but we, again, like on the GT2 RS, there's nothing that flicks up on the side, and we didn't want anything to flick up on the side and look too much like the M Performance ones, which are just ridiculous up here. So we wanted to be able to have canards, and we didn't want it to flick up. So that was the reason why we've gone with this smooth look here. And you'll also notice that on this kit as well, because the car is so square, we've gone for a little bit more of a rounded look, rounded edge on our splitters and the side skirts. But the inspiration for the side skirts is the McLaren 600 LT, because it comes out so much and it has this curve here, like on the McLaren, and they just step out a nice big amount, and they come up a bit higher, so they don't really sit much lower than the original car, so you shouldn't really worry about scraping if you're like crossing over big humps. So that was kind of the inspiration. And again, we didn't want to do flicks because they looked awful on the G80 M3 when M Performance did it. So what was the point of doing that? And then if we move on to the back, we wanted a diffuser that is really aggressive and goes with our style, goes with our look. So if you'll notice here in the middle, it's got this little indent, just like we've got on our G80, RS3, we've got it on our F40 1 Series kits. And then obviously this car needed something on the side, so that's why we added these side pieces. What's good about these side pieces and the way we've designed them is you can put them on with the M Performance diffuser, you can put them on with your standard diffuser, or you can put them on with our diffuser. So they can be bought separately, but it's just really easy to add them on with any diffuser that you want, really. And then with the spoiler, the inspiration for that was the E46 CSL. So we wanted a nice big ducktail looking spoiler because it just looked a bit too boxy at the back, so we wanted to make it sit higher. And yeah, this was the outcome of that. It's really big and aggressive, so we hope you like it. But if it's not for you, we also sell other spoilers which are a little bit smaller as well. But that's kind of that on the CT Design kit. If you like the look of these products, or if you want to order one of these kits, we'll leave a link in the description below, and then make sure that you let us know what you think in the comments as well.